Right. This is test 2. Now I'm not sure which size towel it is because it doesn't say, so I'm going to use the this size towel. Big towel, and just have to chuck it over his head and see how, you know, he gets out of it. So let's hopefully I'll do it. So I'll reset my timer. Can you see him there? Next to bed. I'll get him to that mark. Sit. I'm going to chuck it over, he might run away. Two seconds. I'll try that one again. See if he does it, because I don't know if I chucked it over right, but bear with. Sit. Sit. Sniff it. Sniff. Sit. Good boy. 2.68 the first one was. I'm going to try and chuck it on him and then do time at the same time. 1.46. Good boy. Good boy.